Hey, welcome to the channel. So today I wanted to just share as I'm learning how to design better graphics for merch and books. One of the things I've come across that I'm finding very useful personally is how to improve my graphics, and it's pretty basic at the moment, and I'm still practicing, and I'll share what I learn as I go along. But what I've come across is just improving on your design. So never go with the first design you put out, okay? Always improve on it and refine it as best you can, okay? So I've just started a template here. Obviously, this is one of my favorite platforms. It's completely free, so go to Canva and then create a new template. This one is the Merch by Amazon template, 4500 by 5400 pixels. You can see over here. You can title it if you'd like. And this is the free version of Canva. Okay, so I'm showing you the free version here. Now I'm going to start with, say, a black background, and I'm gonna insert some text. You can use one of these already made for you text if you like, that's fine. But let's say I'll just go with something basic like I am the law, and maybe we can make it bigger. So let's say that's my first iteration. Okay, you could have something simple like that. Now, going back to the main tip I want to share here, do not just use this. Do not just stick this on some print-on-demand platform, because this can be improved on. So what I'm going to do is, instead of using this, I'm going to create a new one. And instead of doing I am the law like that, let's say I went for, so I want it centered, and let's say I go for something that is along these lines. So it's basically the same, it's the same word or phrase, all right? And I'm going to just play around with, the the format of it. So the first format over here was just I am the law in one. This format here is I am the law but vertically, and you may have to play around with the line heights and just see what works over here. Okay, so maybe highlight all of it and then play with the line heights, okay, and see what works for you. Alright, so let's just set this at 1. Okay, so this is another version of it, and I might decide actually I'll do a third version. So what I did over here was just click on this page, this symbol here. It says duplicate page. So duplicate to the page. Maybe you can try something different over here. So instead of I am the law, you could say I know the law. Alright, so there's a different one. So now we've got vertical, we've got a different quote, and perhaps we can use one of these legal icon that Canva has. So the legal icon is in the black color at the moment, so we've got a black background. We've got to change that to any color you'd like. This is the white color at the moment, but you can change that, and you can resize this. So now we've got words and one graphic. Okay, so that's just one tip that I've come across that served me quite well so far. I'm still learning, as I say, but if you go from I am the law to the next iteration, which is vertical, I am the law, followed by changing the quote maybe and inserting a graphic, and you just keep doing that until you compare how your graphics look start to finish. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it there. I just want to share this tip with you. Have a great weekend, whatever you're doing, and I shall see you in the next video.